Dance has had a huge impact on my life, my mental health, my social life. Ever since I could remember, anxiety, depression has always been with me, but when on the dance floor, everything's lifted. So happy, nothing else matters, and it feels like freedom. My name is Camille Trotter, and I am a semi-professional dancer. I started dancing at the age of 2. My mom was really passionate about throwing us into everything and all things. Dance was one of them, and it, along with sports, soccer, stuck, and it continued ever since. I think whenever someone is stepping into the dance world, the community is super supportive. So that can be very good for people gaining confidence when you step into community and the first response is support. And I think in all dance communities, that's a guarantee. So as a fitness instructor, just thinking about fun and keep the heart pumping, endorphins going, happy hormones, right? But then there's also deep connections, deep friendships you can make when you're out there sharing the stage with someone or social dancing with them. It's another way of connecting that you can't do by talking, another way of understanding someone without talking. And that's just an interesting and unique way to know someone. I was raised to believe that you either are a doctor, you're a lawyer, or engineer, 3 options. After graduating from college, I became a paralegal. Worst experience of life. It led me to be quite depressed, running through the same cycle of going to work at a place that I didn't enjoy, coming home feeling drained, not motivated to get off the couch. But when I reintroduced myself back into dance, everything changed. I became excited. I felt passion again in my life. I was looking forward to my life after work. I began making friends. Going back into dance was the light switch. This needed to be my career. Dancing, fitness, health. There's nothing like teaching people how to move. You can see joy on people's faces. You can make people laugh, and you give them a space outside of maybe their very harsh lives and bring them the same joy that I get through dancing. There is going to be people that are snarky and think that they're the best and God's gift to earth. That's any industry. But that you also have some really great, genuine people that are going to welcome you and cheer you on. So don't care what the haters say, and embrace those that are willing to have a good time with you.